I've seen so many videos of people switching from iPhone to Android, but most of them felt like reviews trying to show off every single feature. I'm not here to test every feature for the sake of it. I want to show what it's actually like switching from iPhone to Samsung after 15 years. The real everyday experience for someone who uses their phone deeply, but isn't necessarily a tech reviewer or a prosumer. After 15 years of shilling for Apple, it's finally time for me to switch over to Samsung with the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Has Apple really fallen behind, or will I miss iMessage, FaceTime, and my entire workflow? I guess we're gonna find out. So today, I'm unboxing the S25 Ultra, setting it up, and giving you my first impressions of a lifelong iPhone user switching to Android for the first time in over a decade. Let's go ahead and get into this thing. This is actually nerve-wracking. All right, so let's go ahead and pull the box off. Now I will say, the box is kind of flimsy. It's really weird. Goodness gracious Lord, if you don't look at that, look at this. So here's the thing, right? There's a couple things that I'm worried about with this, right? I'm worried about not being able to adapt to it quickly enough. I'm also worried about the whole green bubble barrier with, all of my family and friends for the most part using iPhone and iMessage. And then also, I'm really worried about losing my love for Apple because, like I said, I've been with Apple for so long and kind of losing my love for Apple will be kind of crazy. But I will say, they have not been impressing me lately. Looking at this, I got the black with the titanium side, so like the black titanium. I think this looks freaking gorgeous. It's low-key kind of hitting, I ain't gonna lie. All right, let's get the pill test. I'm gonna have to lean in so that way you can hopefully hear this. Hopefully you heard that. Oh, this is interesting. I'm just kind of like looking at the reflections. I don't know if it's coming up on camera like that well. It's like, it almost like looks like a matte screen protector kind of thing, kind of like how what gaming monitors have. Let's go ahead and grab whatever else is out of this box real quick. So we have a SIM ejector tool, which I'm not going to use, and then they have a cord in here, so I'll go ahead and set this off to the side. So let's go ahead and turn it on. If it'll turn on, hopefully it's charged. Hello? Hello? Okay, all right, I just had to hold it longer. I was confused. From what I've seen, Samsung came out with an app, Samsung Smart Switch Mobile. So I'm gonna go ahead and download that real quick. From what I know, they have like a wireless option and a wired option for you to be able to transfer all your stuff. Good Lordy. I mean, how much do you need? Whoa, they have a lot of options, y'all. Let's register my face. That was actually easier than Apple. I didn't have to do that whole roll your neck thing. Good Lord. Go ahead and scan this thing real quick, sign in with the passkey. I actually don't know if I have a passkey set for this account. Looks like I do. It's only right to transfer everything from Apple to Samsung using an Apple cord. Oh, goodness gracious. I'm so goofy. We're gonna plug this in like so. We're gonna plug that in like so. All right, now what are you doing? Why are you tweaking? I don't know if y'all see that, but this is not working. This video is about to be a really long video because we're 20 minutes in and I am struggling. Good God. Okay, alrighty. So we're just gonna go to home. Oh my goodness gracious. Okay, well, since I don't need you, since you want to be mean about it, goodness gracious, that cord was stuck in there. All right, okay, well, first off, it is so snappy. Wait a minute, hold on. Oh, with the close, oh, wait a minute, bruh. So you telling me I can open this, I can open that. Okay, I can do this, and then I can just swipe up and hold and close all, bro. Apple, brother, why do you not have this feature? Wait a minute. Okay, so that's just like Apple. I don't know if they like did that intentionally or not, but like that's kind of lit. Pull down from the left, I get my notifications. Pull down from the right. Pull down from the right. Yeah, and I get my control center. That's kind of nice. Wow, this is actually kind of nuts. Let's hit up settings. Let's see what we got in here. We'll come back to the AI. That'll be something that I'll do on my own time because we'll be sitting here all day doing that. What's that? Oh. No freaking way. Okay, having a sidebar, can you customize this sidebar? Oh, wait. Oh, yeah, brother. Yeah, okay. I'm loving One UI 7 right now. I'm loving One UI 7. Ooh, let's change the resolution because let's get it, brother. Go all the way up. I did see like on the lock screen, maybe I'm tweaking. Okay, what is this? What, how do you, whoa. All right, so the brief, time to shine, you know, whatever. Okay, doesn't do much for me. Yeah, the Titan. Oh, I forgot about the S Pen. Wait a minute. Ah, the S Pen. That is gonna be cool. Okay, so. Oh, that's sick. Oh, this yeah. I can see how this is gonna get useful. My dog is tweaking. Okay, my phone's not activated, so I can't do anything. Okay, but I like the S Pen. What does the button do? Okay, the button does nothing. Does this go both ways? It does go in both ways. Okay, lit. Smart. So what I can say is that I really like the color. I know I mentioned that earlier. Yeah, the black with the titanium sides, it low-key hits, man. But I mean, the way it feels in hand is not bad. And I can see myself, you know, using this S Pen quite a bit when it comes to like editing photos in Lightroom, also jotting down quick notes and stuff like that. But also, I remember back in the day when phones came with a stylus, I remember I had a Palm Pre, and if you know, you know, and it came with a stylus. I thought it was the coolest thing in the world. See, I'm doing stuff and I don't even know what I'm doing, man. The phone feels good in the hand. It's bigger than the iPhone, you know, especially if I lay it on top like this, right? Like that edge to edge display, it's nice. The screen itself is better than the iPhone, like color wise, like way better. I know Samsung has a lot of customization options that I can do with it. Oh, wow, okay. So I can, whoa. That's kind of sick. Okay, wallpapers. Wait, this could get, oh, this might get out of hand, y'all. All right, I'm getting carried away. Let's stick to the plan here. So one thing I do want to do is definitely test out the cameras. I'm not gonna lie to you, yo. What? Wow. Okay, the Samsung phone got that, brother. Hold on, I got a plant right here. Let me go ahead and take a picture of this plant. Okay, so impressions from here, it looks great. Like it's definitely like kind of over sharpened like the variegations, which is all the white parts in the plant. But hey, for those two photos, it looks pretty good. All right, let me try a selfie real quick. All right. I don't like either one of them, to be completely honest. I'm not gonna get into the whole like camera video, photo video tests, but like, I mean, the colors look pretty good on the back camera. Whoa, face recognition is hella fast. You know, in comparison to my 15 Pro Max, like of course, this is not a fair comparison considering the fact that the S25 Ultra is in competition with the iPhone 16 Pro Max, which my fiance graciously has. So maybe I'll, you know, kind of put them head to head, but I definitely plan to kind of like boot this to the side while I use this and see what it's like. Look, I haven't messed with any AI. I know AI on the iPhone is trash, like trash. But I've heard that AI on Samsung is actually pretty good. So can I do like a circle search in here? Whoa, wait, hold on. Stop, wait, I don't know what I'm doing. Tap or draw around anything you want to move. Okay, so let's tap that. Let's delete it. Generate. Okay. All right, how we looking? Oh, brother. Wait a minute, hold on. View original? It even took the shadow out. It even took the shadow out right here. What, bro? You're kidding. Okay, that's pretty freaking dope. I'm not gonna lie. That's kind of cool. I mean, just off of first impressions here, I'm definitely kind of liking this already more than my iPhone, which is something I did not expect to say. Now, of course, this is first impressions. So, you know, usually whenever you first open a box, you kind of are like, ooh, super excited. And then it kind of like wears off. So I'm definitely excited to see how over time it's going to kind of feel. So, I mean, I guess, is it really worth switching from Apple for this? It's a little too early to tell. I'm actually looking forward to like kind of messing around with this thing and seeing how like Well, it works. Like, I'm looking forward to consuming content. I'm a YouTube connoisseur, content consumer, okay? So with that being the case, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up because it's already super long. I'm gonna say, you know, first initial impressions, I'm liking it. I'm looking forward to spending some time with it and actually getting to know it. And I'm getting married in a couple weeks, and I'm gonna have a chance to put this phone through its paces because I am going to be going to Scotland, and it'll be like a day in the life and see how it actually works. I'm gonna go ahead and leave this phone here, and I'm gonna be struggling out there. And if I have a good time with this, who knows? I might even be open to trying other Samsung Android phones in the future, i.e. the Pixel 10 that's coming out in a couple weeks. So that's really it for this video. I'm gonna go ahead and figure out how to get this thing set up. But if you're wondering about all of the tech that I use on a daily basis and that I travel with, go ahead and hit the video right here where I tell you about my essentials for travel. But that's it for me. I'll see you in the next one.